specializing in automatic transmission parts sales, R&D, maintenance, equipment R&D, and manufacturing services. After more than 25 years of development, the company has become a leading enterprise in China's automatic transmission service industry. Brand series of products are exported to North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and other countries and regions, and have established a good reputation in the domestic and international markets.